The Einstein-Cartan-Sciama Kibble theory of gravity, also known as the extended theory of gravity, is a theory of gravitation that extends the general theory of relativity. This theory extends the equations of general relativity by including the effects of spin, which is the intrinsic angular momentum of particles. This theory was proposed by French physicist Élie Cartan in 1922, English physicist Denis Sciama in 1953, and British physicist Thomas Kibble in 1961. This theory of gravity is based on the idea that particles with spin can affect the gravitational field. This theory was proposed as a way to explain why the universe as a whole is full of matter instead of just empty space. The idea is that the spin of particles, which is determined by their angular momentum, causes a gravitational field to exist. This field is known as the spin-orbit interaction and is thought to be the cause of gravity. The theory of general relativity, which was proposed by Albert Einstein in 1915, is based on the idea that gravity is caused by the curvature of spacetime. This curvature is caused by the presence of matter and energy in the universe. However, general relativity does not take into account the effects of spin. The Einstein-Cartan-Sciama Kibble theory of gravity adds these effects to the equations of general relativity, which allows for a more complete description of the gravitational field. The theory proposes that the spin of particles causes a gravitational field that is different from the field caused by matter and energy. This field is known as the spin-orbit interaction, and it is believed to be the cause of gravity. This theory also proposes that the spin-orbit interaction can cause objects to orbit each other, just like in the case of planets orbiting the Sun. The Einstein-Cartan-Sciama Kibble theory of gravity is still being studied and is not yet accepted as a fully accepted theory. However, it has been extensively studied and has been found to be consistent with observation. It is also being used as the basis for some new theories of gravity, such as the theory of everything. The Einstein-Cartan-Sciama Kibble theory of gravity is an important extension of the theory of general relativity. It is a proposed explanation for the origin of gravity and has been used to explain the behavior of objects in orbit. It is also being used as the basis for new theories of gravity and as a way to understand the universe as a whole.